All right, in today's lesson we're going to be taking a look at rectangular coordinates. The first thing I need you to do is pause the video, create this coordinate plane. You actually have to create it twice, so if you want to make one and then the other, and come on back and then we can move through the lesson. All right, so this is your coordinate plane in front of you. The first thing we always need to remember is that coordinates always graph x followed by y. And the easiest way to remember that is x comes before y in the alphabet. So for example, if we had the coordinates 3, 2, we would know that x is 3, y is 2. And they're both positive, so we move in a positive direction. 1, 2, 3, and then up 2, 1, 2. So 3, 2 would be located right here. The same would hold true if we were dealing with some negative coordinates. We can choose negative 5, negative 3. In this case, x would be the negative 5 and y would be the negative 3. So we graph it, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have to move down 3, 1, 2, 3, which happens to be almost in the middle of my drawing, and this location would be negative 5, negative 3. The other way we always try to remember it is you run before you jump, or you run before you fall. So either way, you always have to graph the x followed by the y. Take a look at the second coordinate plane you created and fill in these following points. When you're done, go ahead and name each one of the points A through D here, and down here we need to identify the coordinates according to their numbers. Come on back when you're ready. Alright, so the first one we have negative 1, 3, which would be point C. On B we have 3, 1, negative, so 3, negative 1, that's point H. And then we have 1, 3, so this C is B. And letter D we have negative 3, 1, and that's letter D. Down here, point A, it's 3, 1. So we want to put 3, 1. G, we have 1, negative 3. 1, negative 3. E, we have negative 3, negative 2. And our last one, point F, negative 1, negative 3. And again, the most important thing when graphing coordinates on a plane is that you always go left or right, then up or down. X comes before y.